Hi there and welcome to our channel. Today we bring to you a short video tutorial on how to install .apks files on Android. Some Android apps are published in the Google Play Store as app bundle that comes with different configurations for different device architectures. When you download such apps, extracting using traditional APK extractor tools will only generate the base APK file. And when you extract the full app plus its splitted parts, it is usually stored as an APKS file. Now, how do you install such a file since the default Android package installer doesn't recognize APKS but APK? Watch this video to find out.
Note: you need to have Split APKS Installer app installed on your Android device. Alternatively, use APKCombo Installer app. Links can be found on the description below. As you can see here, we have 4 Android apps. The 2 without app icon logo are APKS files. Now with the Split APKS installer installed, tap on the APKS file and choose to install with SAI. If you installed instead APKCombo Installer, choose to install the APKS with it. APKS installed successfully.